Okay, guys. All right, just plugging my mic. We are all good to go. Today is August 14, 2024. Man, I can't believe it's already August 14, right? The year is about to finish. We're about to start 2025, and by the time you know it, 2025 is going to be over. So we all have to get on our games. We have to accomplish our goals. We have to achieve the things that we want to achieve in life, or whatever we want to, our goals are. Try to get it. Because time is flying by. I remember just a few months ago, it's like yesterday, right? A few months ago, we were saying Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday, and now it's already August. The time is just flying by really quickly, man. So, but anyway, it's kind of close to the market here. We did not trade today. Reason being, had a bad day yesterday. We blew our account, so that means no trading for us today. We have to wait. We have to sit on our hands. I just uploaded a video, gave you an honest opinion of what my trading journey had been like. At the end, it might cut because for some reason my computer keep freaking restarting by itself and doing all these updates by itself. So I have to look into redoing that so it's better. But we'll see. So, but anyway, 54. This is just about 9-second delay. But anyway, we are here, and we're just going to be doing market analysis and seeing what the market could look like this week and next week. Now, we are not market makers, and we don't know exactly, but we can just, guesstimate what we think the market is going to be doing based off of supply and demands, right? Let's start with the big guy. Look at that. It's like if you go on the daily time frame, you see that I got all these stuff here. Let me remove them. I don't use too much different stuff. Okay, I'll leave these here for my analysis. On the big time frame, it's like the market, the market is playing around, right? Market open here. This was 8.7 about a week ago. Market went all the way up and then closed all the way down here. Went up, range a little bit, went up now to this giving our doji candle basically because the market is about to close. Where else would it go? So we don't know what the market is planning to do, but just we can speculate, right? Based on what had happened in the past. We just say, hey, this is what the market is going to do, and it's possible that's what it's going to do. So now my honest opinion on these, right? We see, obviously, I'm going to do 15-minute time frame for the trend, but usually, like I said, I like to do it on 1 hour time frame. It's very clear. We see that the market was in a downtrend here. Downtrend here from the upside here, 15 minutes. Boom, 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 all the way down here, right? The previous swing low got broken. In fact, it got double previous swing low. Previous swing low got broken. Double bottom and then went up, and those double bottom got broken, and then we had a negative 1,000 point day, right? 2 Sundays ago, negative 1,000 point day, and we saw the market going that way. So now previous swing low has been broken close above, and we see that the market is still in a bullish move. That means, and it's very obvious, right? 1 hour time frame. If we go on the 1 hour time frame, I like to confirm when I trade, I like to find my high time frame on 1 hour, and then 15 minutes is my trend, and then 5 minutes. Now I like to also take that reverse and double it, right? Find my trend, because I have to make sure that whatever I'm doing is like, because the higher you go in the time frame, the better the scope of your lenses are to see the market from a 30,000 foot, right? So what I see here on a 1 hour time frame, right? We have this downtrend here, like we were talking about, this downtrend here, boom, 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 and happening, broke to the downside. Now this still becomes the swing low in my opinion, right? Swing low right here got broken, and we expected our retest. Did it happen? Almost did twice. Broke down to the downside. Now it's above that. So we're still on the trend. We're still analyzing the trend. It's above that. So I consider this now to be an uptrend. All right. Now, how far I think the trend is going to go? Not very far, because right here we can see this. Can it go above that? Obviously, right? I mean, of course, not obviously, but of course it can go above that, right? But now, and I said this 2 days ago, I think it was on Monday, I said if this little chop here happen, the market breaks to the upside, my next place of target I'm going to be looking at will be up here in the 19,600 level. Guys, as we're speaking, if you can see on the chart, right, this is live. This is not after market analysis. This is live market analysis, why it happens, right? Why the market plays out. So now I think that the fact that this got broken and closed above, there's still a little bit more momentum to push this market all the way up to 19,600 level. So with that being said, now let's go and see, right? We can go on daily time frame to confirm that, but I prefer going on the 4-hour time frame, right? Hey, what's up? You good?
I'm going to slow down to be quiet up here because
Okay, that's fine. You can be here and be quiet. You have
I guess I this for I still know how I'm controlling myself. Like,
okay, that's fine.
my
That's fine. You can hang around.
yeah.
You still have 3 more minutes for a nap time, but I'm not sure why you're not taking a nap. So you can hang around if you want.
Okay.
I'll just be here recording, okay? You can come say hi to my live too if you want. But
And I need to be quiet.
yeah, you can say hi and then you can be quiet.
I think say be quiet so I can say hi.
Okay.
That's what I can do here.
Yeah. Good job. So now on a 4-hour time frame, my dad used to say every rope in the bush has an end, and every tub has its own bottom to sit on, or every bucket has its own bottom to sit on, right? How does that translate to me in my trading word? Every trade, every trend has a place it's going to stop. It never runs forever. If that was the case, everybody else would be making money. You put your money in the market, go to bed, you go to sleep, and you know it's always going to be an uptrend, and that's how it's going to be. So with that being said, you know, every trend has a beginning and it has an end. When God doesn't have a beginning and an end. So every trend has a beginning and an end. And how do we find the end? Supply and demand, guys. You can use all these fancy indicators. If you are not the market maker and you are not inside trading, which is illegal, all you can really do at the end of the day is try to find supply and demand. That's it. And then control your risk management. That's it. And then control your risk management. Other than that, you are gonna be doomed. You're gonna be focusing on all these indicators and all these other stuff, and things are not just gonna be the same. You understand? So we think that the fact that this market made this move here, and look at this, right? There's no any supply or demand in between here whatsoever. This is a straight shot from up here. The momentum came from the top and pushed that trade all the way down. So I think, in my opinion, based on the analysis and based on my strategy, what I see here is that this place here is like we already see here today, right? Now I think it's going to go up to that 19,600 level, but it's going to be a slow grind to the upside. It's not going to be like this straight shot down or this straight shot up right here in between, right? I feel like it's either going to be like this chop, or it's going to be very small candles that is going to be just grinding up to the day. Like yesterday, for example, right? It was a grind, and then one candle shot. Grind, and then one candle shot. So I think that's how it's going to be today. I mean, for the rest of this week and maybe next week. So now I'm going to go to Forex Factory and try to find what busy news we have this week and next week, right? So today already happened. We added today. We have Thursday, tomorrow, and we have core retails and unemployment claims coming out. The market can make a big move. Today we have CPI. The market moved, but not really much. And Friday we have basically nothing. Building permits coming out. And next week, Monday, not much. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday we have FOMC minutes coming out. Usually it doesn't really move the market by a lot, but we know whenever Powell speaks, no matter where he's speaking, he makes us or loses us money. So that's coming out. Flash PMI coming out to Thursday, and then Friday it's just going to be a rest day, and then that's what it's going to be. So, and my plan moving forward to get accounts, this is in my video I just posted. You can go and watch it, my honest opinion about my trading journey. But moving forward, instead of trading with all the other platforms that have evaluation phases, I'm just gonna, just get into fast track trading and stay with them, right? Because I think that they don't have evaluation accounts. You just purchase the account. It's very expensive, but if you trade well, all you really got to do to get your money back is just get to the very first payout. All right, say thank you for saying hi. All you got to do is manage your trade well, get to the first payout. First payout, if you buy one account, for example, the Grand Prix account, right? It's 150K account. You have 75. There's nobody in the industry doing that, guys. $7,500 drawdown. Yeah. Now, I think the reason why they push it all the way up that much is because $5,000 might be very easy for people to reach, and they can, get paid out. I think it's a strategy to use. I don't know how well and how long that's gonna work. So far, it's working for them. So he's my hype man. So, but I think it's great. It's a great drawdown. Like the strategy I'm going to use on there, I'm going to be very aggressive when I buy my account, my 150K Grand Prix account. As Jerome, you want to say hi to them and go get your cars? Thank you.
My car is here.
Okay, fine. But let's keep it low and talk to them, okay? So I think that the 150K account, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have the $7,500 drawdown, right? I'm going to have $5,000 as drawback, as reserve. That's what I call it, as reserve. And then the $2,500, I'm going to be very aggressive on it, right? Like 2 contracts, 3 contracts, and the more up I go, I would just keep idling and try to make money. Now, another part of that strategy I have with fast track trading I'm going to use is that I'm going to, because I pass a lot of 150K account, right, that has that has a consistency rule on evaluation accounts. I mean, like with Top Step and Take Profit Trader, for example, I passed them and took them 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, whatever they wanted. So what I am going to do, my max daily win, I'm not going to let it cross $2,000. So I'm going to calculate, maybe I'll be running in with like 2 contracts, 3 contracts here and there, in and out, but I'm not going to pass 4 or 5 contracts because it's a 20% consistency rule. Thank you. So that's how I'm going to do it.
On the ground.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to put it here so it doesn't poke anybody. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's how I'm going to be doing my trading with Fast Track, but I'm going to move over to them. I'm not totally moving from the rest of the other evaluation phases of accounts, but I'm going to be trading them on the side, and my main focus is going to be fast track trading until I get at least 5 or 6 figure. From then I can focus on the other guys. So that's how I'm going to be doing it, pretty much. So I think we can analyze this pretty much, and I believe that once this market, now going back to the chart, once this market move to the upside here, which I feel there are some, there are some orders still might be there, because if you see right here, you see this breakout retest, right?
Yeah.
breakout retest happened here. Market's in an uptrend. It came at bottom here, and then boom, broke to the downside. That's all that downtrend created, and it was very aggressive. Even one day having maybe like what 1,600 point move, 1,000 to the downside and then 600 to the upside. So pretty crazy. So we expect, but we think that the market, that's the train. I live by the train track, guys. So we think the market is going to be going here and it's going to be falling. And if it falls, we know it's going to be heavy because of what happened previously. There might be some unfilled orders up here, but hey, we never know. And it's possible also that the market can just play it around here and fall to the downside, or it can play it around here and shoot to the upside, pretty much. So we'll keep our eyes out for that. And this is for the baby. So I don't know how this is. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Close it. Close it. Yeah, I got it. Jay, this is big for you. This is small for you. I mean, yeah. Take it off. Nice. It's supposed to be like this. Okay. So, that's what we think about NQ. And guys, if you are watching this video, this is Jay Lee Trades. I trade here every day live, and I record videos and post them. So if you want to come out here and just hang out, let's grow this channel together, and let's do some really cool stuff here. Let's get paid out together. Most importantly, let's get paid out together. So that's pretty much it. And in crude oil here, on the other hand, we see crude oil making really big moves. I'm not going to talk much about crude oil, but crude oil made this half candle retest yesterday. I kind of was expecting it to keep to the upside, the continuation to the upside, but it's going to the downside here. So can't really say much about that. And gold is the second guy I'll be trading here. Made some really crazy move. Like if I was trading today, to be honest, now this is in hindsight, and people might say, oh yeah, anybody can say that or anybody can do that, because it's in hindsight. I analyzed this trade yesterday. This is why I have to follow my rules and stop blowing my accounts, because when you have cash, or when you have, there's always a new opportunity, so you always should be prepared for that, right? So I believe that if I was going to trade today, I was going to make a decent amount of money, because when you go in a 1 hour time frame here, right, gold was in a crazy uptrend, moving very big, like $40, $50, $60 per day. That rarely happened. And then look how many times it got topped here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is filling. These were like strong moves to the upside and then rejection, and then move right away to the upside and then rejection, and then it bottom or it ranged for quite some bit, and then it got right up there, rejected, right, and then rejected, made a W pretty much. And I was expecting it to fall a little bit yesterday when I saw it, even though because of this green full candle here, I was skeptical yesterday. I was like, I don't know what's going to happen. But then today it just went up and shot to the lower side. So that's really it, guys. We'll be looking at gold. We'll be looking at the rest of these others, guys. I'll let you know when I get my account. Now I just got to go back and find some type of income and try to get my account. So Fast Track Trading, they are running a special right now, a deal, 30% off on all the account except for the Formula One account. So if you're going to get 150K account, that's what I say I'm going to get, because I think it makes the most sense to me. The drawdown is crazy, like crazy comfortable. 7,500 is a decent amount of money. I'm not saying you can't blow an account with that kind of drawdown. No, don't do that. That's very bright for your eyes. You can ruin your eyeballs with that. Look this. So I think it's pretty good, and you can do a lot with that. So that's what I'm going to get. It's $419, and if you buy 5 accounts, which is about just right over $2,000, you can get one for free, including the discount. So you're going to be saving just right around $700-800. Plus, you're going to get one account for free. So getting almost $1,000 back, right? And I'm gonna have my discount code in the link below or in the description. So if you want to use that, please go ahead and use that, and that will be able to help the channel. So it is what it is. We are 20 minutes deep into this conversation. I'm gonna call it here, and I wish you guys luck on your trading journey. Go and watch that video. So if you're a new trader, especially, go and watch that video so you can cut yourself a lot of time from all the mistakes that you could possibly make. Just learn from somebody else who already been there, so you can cut a lot of time and save a lot of money and save you a lot of crazy emotions. I will tell you that for sure. And since the video cut, I might be going for a part 2 of that, and I'm going to try to post more videos, and every time I post, I'm going to try to have a better quality video so that you guys can watch it. I'm not doing it for profit, but I'm just doing it to share my journey with you guys. And if you are watching this video, also you are inspired by what I do, go ahead, subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment, you know, something of encouragement, something of criticism, something I can do better. They are all welcome. So I'm not just a person who's going to be like, I just want compliment. Nope. If I make a video that's not good, give it a thumbs down, let me know what I can do better, and I'll go from there. If I did something that was good, give me a thumbs up and tell me why. And we are all here to grow together and get better together. So peace out. I'll see you tomorrow, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day.